Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if the touch screen on your Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL is not working and you're wondering how do I reboot this? Well, all you need to do is perform a simultaneous long press of power and volume up at the same time. You are going to see the power menu, and then you keep that option pressed and the device is going to reboot. So let us give that a try. Let us assume the touch screen is not working on this Pixel 9 over here, and we're going to do a simultaneous press of power and volume up. We see the power menu. We're going to keep those buttons pressed until we see the screen go black, and at that point you can let go of these volume up and power button on your Pixel 9. So there it is, the screen went black, which means at this point the Pixel 9 over here is rebooting, and pretty soon we should see the Google menu or the Google boot animation on our Pixel 9 over here. And let's be a bit more patient. There it is, we have the Google logo, which means that this Pixel 9 over here is now rebooting, and there it is peeps. That is how you force restart or reboot the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 Pro XL in case the touch screen on your Pixel is not working.